Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to deposit a check on GO2bank. So if you're interested, let's get started. So to begin is by logging into the GO2bank app. Once you're in, locate and click on the Move Money option. Now within the Move Money section, you'll find the Cash a Check feature. Click on it to start the process. The app will guide you through these steps, which are designed to be straightforward. So follow the instructions to capture the clear images of both the front and back of your check using your phone's camera. Additionally, enter the precise amount mentioned on the check. Once you've successfully captured the check images and enter the amount, you'll be prompted to select when you want your funds to be available in your account. Choose the timeline that best suits your needs. Before finalizing the transaction, take advantage of a special offer by entering the Go2Get5. This ensures you receive a one-time $5 credit after entering the code, and from there, just tap on apply to compensate the process. Now, by following these steps, you'll be able to effortlessly cash your check using your GO2bank, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.